Hello guys, good morning everyone. Hope you guys are doing great, and I'm also doing great here. And today is sunny day, and I'm going to the seaside beach solo ride. I think that one is from here, I think 15 to 20 kilometer far from here. So it's really nice place. I went last time there, so I want to go again over there and see the surrounding and chilling. So keep watching guys, and you'll feel also good to see that beach. Okay, now I'm heading. Now I'm ready to ride. Okay, so alright guys, I'm heading now. From here, left, straight. This is the highway of CAMOTES Island, and I can see today there is so many vehicles compare with before. I don't know what they're loading there. I think this one is coconut. No, it's trash. You can see ahead. Oh my god, it's really small multi-cab and people are chilling, which is really good. Maybe they are going to beach. Most of the people are using multi-cab when they have many people to go somewhere having fun. So many chilling on the chair. See this? I got this one. The leaf, dry leaves fallen from the tree, and it was a little bit hard on my chest. I'll go by this way. So today is like Thursday, so I don't think so there is so many people, because most of the here in Ireland, most of the people are crowd on Sunday and Saturday because of holiday. But today is not a holiday, so there is no people, are not so much people. Yeah, road is very straight here. I can see that this small town lotto is everywhere in this island. Ah. So I'll be maybe from here left. I'm heading left now. You can see here the living style, this kind of house here. And I think this one is still constructing house. I can see here most of the houses are the same. Oh, there is nice. It looks like a boarding house. What is that called? Yeah, like a boarding house. Init kayo. If I ride very slow, init kayo. Kids are riding multi-cab backside. Oh, here's basketball court. I love to go by this way. Oh, here it's really cool. It looks really cool. Coney's Island Paradise. Oh, it's really cool here. You can see. Wow. Catching the coconut and so many fishing boat, I think, parked put on the sand beach. And but when we come at beach, and we have to really be careful, man, about it might be fall down a coconut tree. It's really very tall. Coconut tree is very tall. What if like the coconut falling down on exactly hit on the head? It will be patay. So we have to be careful. It looks really nice, man, here, really nice. Here is the really rough road. Oh, you can see ocean from here. Isn't it very nice? I like to stay there, man. See, there is hole. Wow. That one is really cool. So guys, I'm here at the seaside. You can see. Woo. I want to swim, but I'm alone here. But I cannot make. I'm offered to swim alone here. I'm not taking off the helmet because I'm very in it. So, and I park my motor over there. Oops. The field is very hot. I park motor over there, right there, and also around here. See, you can see the boat here and many coconut trees. Isn't it looks very nice from here? Wow. See, people are coming over there also. Here is I saw last time a lot of people here, but today it's not so. I wanna take walk on the white sand beach. Feeling so hot. I want to really swim, but I didn't bring the the extra clothes, so yeah. I feel really water is really cold here. The outside is hot, the water is cold. And I can see there some people are fishing, I think. Isn't it, this beach is very big? But it's you can see here it's a little bit, it's, I think it's a plant, seed plant. I think if this one is clean every day, it will looks more good. This beach, I would like to go there. And you can see there people are fishing. They're everyday fishing, and they have to swim, of course, to fishing, so they have a really nice body. Athletic body. This place is really nice. I think there's 4 people. Oh, they are trying to trapping the fish by net, I think. So this is the place. So I would like to see there what they are writing. Private property, private resorts, camping are not allowed. Kesa Beach Resort. Oh, this lot are private lots, so we can't make tent, make camping without get permission. So alright guys, I didn't swim today because I don't want to swim alone here, and my motor is over here. Now I'm heading back, and thank you so much for watching my video, and have a great day guys, and always take care. Thank you so much.